Crunch, my favorite treat. Banana, yellow, peel it down. Eat it up, don't wear a frown. Grapes so round, purple or green, best little fruits I've ever seen. Mango, juicy, soft and dry. Eat in the morning or at night. Orange, round with zesty smell. Juicy drops we love so well. Strawberry, red with tiny seeds. Sweet and fresh for all our needs. Watermelon, big and cool. Slice it up, it's picnic rule. Pineapple, tall with spiky crown. Cut it up and pass it around. Fruity, fruity, yum, yum, yum. Come on, sons, let's have some fun. Clap your hands and sing with me. Fruits are tasty, A to Z.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray! Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!